Hello friends, I hope you are ready for another thrilling adventure in our coding saga. Today we are diving into a topic that's as crucial as finding the perfect ice cream flavor on a hot summer day. The importance of recognizing anti-patterns. Now, I want you to close your eyes and imagine a town, a special town named Codeville. In Codeville, every person is a coder, much like you and me. And this blasting town of coders. There's one coder named Alex. Alex is passionate about coding. He loves it he loves it as much as a dog loves chasing its tail. But even in Codeville, life is not all rainbows and unicorns. Alex has a problem, a big problem. This problem is a troublemaker that disrupts the peaceful life of Codeville. This troublemaker is not a notorious villain named Antipattern. This Antipattern, like a mischievous monkey, lives to create chaos in Alex's code. It's like trying to build a sandcastle and someone keeps knocking it over. It's frustrating, isn't it? But our hero Alex isn't someone who gives up easily. He knows that to win this battle against the anti-pattern, he must first learn to recognize them. Like knowing what the enemy looks like before going into a battle. So, Alex begins his journey of learning. He starts studying common anti-patterns, like the golden hammer or spaghetti code. And let me tell you folks, spaghetti code is not as delicious as it sounds. It's as messy as a toddler eating spaghetti. So, as Alex starts getting better at spotting these anti-patterns, something magical happens. His code starts getting better. They run smarter, faster and more efficient. It's like turning a caterpillar into a butterfly. And now let's not sugarcoat it. The anti-patterns didn't stop coming. They still showed up. Like a pesky fly that just won't leave. But each time, Alex was ready. And each time, his code got better. So, why we are listening to Alex's story, you ask? Because we all have our own anti-patterns to fight. Recognizing them is like having a map when you are lost in a forest. It helps us to find the problems in our code and fix them. So, let's start our journey. Let's learn to recognize and fight these anti-patterns. Let's make our codes better, one line at a time. And always remember, folks, the only spaghetti we want to see is on our plates, not in our code. Let's say goodbye to those messy codes and hello to cleaner, efficient ones. Thank you for watching.